empty reference. And let's see how to do low poly tree in Blender. This is our cube. Let's remove our cube and our camera. We don't need them. And add plane, for example. And I'm going to, by pressing tab, to edit mode. And I'm, by holding shift, choosing those 3 vertices and pressing X, delete vertices. Okay, and right now I have just 1 vertex left. I will choose it, and I'm going to modify properties. And here I'm adding skin modifier, and then I'm adding subdivision surface modifier. And by holding E, I'm extruding my vertex. It will be our trunk. But to be everything better visible, I'll press Z and choose wireframe. Now I can see the vertices better, and we'll continue. So E and extruding. Choosing the vertex E, extruding. Choosing the vertex E and extruding. Something like that. Now let me turn my tree. Oh, it's a little bit like not staying good. I will choose my vertex and move my tree a little bit. Yeah, to look better staying. Let me see. Here's the same. Let me see now. I think it's better. Okay, let's extrude here, this direction, something like that. Let us add a little bit more. Let us add few more branches. Yeah, like this here, and here, and something like this. Okay, now the branches, they don't have to be the same like the trunk, so they have to be more tiny here. So that's why I will choose, by holding shift, the vertices, and then pressing Ctrl A, I will do those places a little bit tighter. Okay, not enough tighter. I have shift, holding shift, choosing those places and this vertex, by the way, and continue doing this with Ctrl A. Yeah, like this place either. Okay, something like that. And this place I want to do wider, so I'll do the opposite thing, something like that. Let's go now to, oh no, here it's too wide, still too wide. I'm pressing Z and changing to solid. It looks almost nice. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add the leaves. Okay, so I'm going to tap to object mode and adding icosphere. Move it a little bit, and I will, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I think I need 7 like that, so I will do shift D, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have 7 in a total. Okay, now I want to make them a little bit different, so I'm holding shift, choosing all of them, and go to edit mode, mesh, transform, and choosing randomize. And here I will increase amount. Maybe if you want you can change something here, but I wouldn't. I think this is enough for me. Tap, I'm going to object mode, but I will just want to change the scale maybe. So I'll do this one a little bit smaller. For example, this one a little bit bigger, this one a little bit smaller, something like this. And let's put them on a tree. I'm choosing, holding G and putting on my tree. I think we will need a little bit more than 7, but let me check now. Okay, now let me turn my tree. Okay, and I see that I have to move them. So I'm holding G and moving. Oh, I think we have to add more leaves. So Shift D. It takes some time, but it's necessary. Okay, the only thing that we have to do to colorize our tree. So I'm choosing the trunk. I'm going to material properties and adding new base color, which will be something like, to see how it will be, we have to click on viewport shading. The trunk is almost done, little bit too red. Oh, like this is better. And the leaves. So I'm choosing one part and doing the same. I'm choosing some green color, which is good for me. Maybe like that. Then to colorize all other leaves, I don't have to do that. I have just to choose all of them, Shift, and to choose already colorized leaves, and to press Ctrl L and to choose link materials. You see, I think it's done. Okay, that's it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.